In this video we are going to see the simulation of Arduino based LED lamp dimmer using push button. Here we have Arduino Nano and here we have number of LEDs connected in series parallel combination. This 4 are connected in series, and 4 in parallel which are switching through this MOSFET, and this MOSFET is controlled by our Arduino through this transistor NPN type transistor, and we have here oscilloscope to see the waveforms coming out of Arduino and at the LED point, and we have push button as an input to change the duty cycle. LED to glow microcontroller should deliver low logic, low pulse. That time this transistor will not conduct and adhere. Here we have potential divider 1 kilo ohm resistor and 10 kilo ohm resistor, making a potential divider with plus 12 volt, so around 10 to 11 will appear. This is the gate point, so at the time this MOSFET will conduct and LED will glow when microcontroller delivers high pulse, high logic from D9. That time this transistor conducts. This transistor conducting means this collector emitter will get shorted, so this point will become 0, so gate voltage 0 means that time this MOSFET will not conduct, it act as an open circuit, so LED will be not glow. So now let's dump the code into Arduino and see the simulation, so I am dumping the hex code. Now LEDs are glowing with full intensity, so I am pushing this button. Their intensity will be go on decreasing. So this is, at this point LEDs are glowing. LEDs are glowing with 90% intensity and 10% off, so this is the 10% off time and 90% on time. So when I press this button, this off time will increase and this 20% off 80% on. Then 30 off 70 on, like this. Now 40-60, now 50-50, like this. Its LED light intensity will go on dimming. Now this is now fully off, this is completely 0, completely high it is giving, so LEDs are off. So when you press this button again it will become full intensity, then pulse output, pulse is low logic.